loss. The market never tells you to revenge trade. Decisions come from, and that's exactly why psychology matters so much. Most traders spend months learning smart money concepts, supply and demand, price action, indicators, support and resistance, liquidity, order block, structure, and strategy they can find on. There's nothing wrong with learning those things. Technical analysis is important, but many traders eventually discover you can have an excellent strategy and still lose money consistently, not because the strategy doesn't, but because executed consistently. Cue where psychology takes. Imagine two traders using exactly the same strategy, the same charts, the same entries, the same stop losses, the same take profit target. One trader follows every rule exactly as planned. The other trader hesitates, moves stop losses, closes trades too early, adds to losing positions, overtrades after a win, revenge trades after a loss. At the end of the month, they'll have completely different results. Not because of strategy of psychology. That's what Today Live is all about. By this session, I don't just want you to become a better trader. I want you to become someone who thinks differently about trading. Someone who understands that success isn't built on one winning trade. It's built on thousands of disciplined decisions. So let's begin. Chapter 1. Why most traders fail. When people are trading, they usually believe one thing. If I can just find the perfect strategy, I'll become profitable. That sounds logical. Well, every business needs a system. But here's what surprises most traders. Majority of traders already know what they're supposed to do. They know they should risk only a small percentage of their account. They know they shouldn't chase trades. They know they shouldn't trade emotionally. They know they should work confirmation. They know they shouldn't overtrade. They know all these rules, yet they continue breaking them. Why? Because knowing something and doing something are completely different. Think about life. Almost everyone knows exercise is healthy. Almost everyone knows eating too much food isn't good. Almost everyone knows saving money is important. But knowing doesn't automatically create it. Trading works exactly the same way. Knowledge fills your head. Psychology controls your hands. The market has a way of exposing your weaknesses. If you're impatient, expose your impatience. If you're greedy, trading will expose your greed. If you're fearful, trading will expose fear. If you're undisciplined, trading will expose that too. Trading becomes it reflects exactly who you are under pressure. That's why two people can study strategy for months and still get completely different results. The difference isn't intelligence, it's control. One of the biggest mindset shifts I had was realizing that trading isn't really about predicting the market. It's about managing yourself. The market doesn't need change. You do. And once you understand that everything begins to look different, instead of asking, how can I find a better strategy? You begin asking, how can I become a trader? That question changes everything. Chapter 2. Fear. Fear is probably the emotion every trader experiences. It doesn't matter whether you've been trading for 2 weeks or 2 years. Fear never completely disappears. The difference is how you respond to it. Fear wears many different. Sometimes it's the fear of entering a trade. You see your setup matches your trading plan, but your finger refuses to press the buy or sell button. Then the market moves exactly as you expected. They're watching the move at you. Now an emotion appears, regret. Others' fear shows up after entering. The trade moves slightly against you. Nothing unusual, nothing outside your plan, but your mind immediately begins imagining the worst possible outcome. What if it keeps falling? What if I lose this trade? What if today is different? Suddenly, you closed early. A few months later, the market reached original take profit without you. Sound familiar? Fear also appears after losing streaks. After several losses, your confidence begins disappearing. You start questioning everything. Your strategy, your analysis, your experience, even yourself. You must understand, fear isn't always telling the fear is simply trying to protect you. Unfortunately, financial markets require to become comfortable with uncertainty. There are Part 2. Revenge Trading, Discipline and Confidence. Chapter 4. Revenge Trading. One of the fastest ways to destroy a trading account isn't having a bad G. It's allowing one losing